This tutorial shows you specifically how to import the DBR, the distribution booking form, for an order. Files section in order to access A1 booking forms folder. So we come over within the file section to A1 booking forms, and in A1 booking forms we can see the DBR file. Just click on it to download. As you can see, it's downloaded, and the next step would be to open it up and fill it. Let's take a look at this file as we fill it up. So I've opened up the downloaded DBR file. As you can see, having filled in the various necessary fields in green, keeping in mind the start and end dates, the postal sectors, the quantity, size of the item, weight in grams where applicable and relevant, avoid competitors in the distribution area. Once I'm ready, I save the file, and then I go over to the orders section and specifically import DBR. Let's go over there right now. We go back to orders, which is here on the left. Within orders, we scroll down to import orders, import DBR. We click on that. Here we click on browse files. We select our file and it uploads. Once it's imported, you get a successful import message showing you the order was successfully imported with the order number. From over here back to orders, under orders awaiting approval to verify it's been imported over there. Under orders awaiting approval, we click on this, and there we have our order 25775 with our successfully imported DBR.